Hello students. Now in chapter 3rd, weather and climate. Today we are going to study about what is the difference between weather and climate. So what's the difference in between them? We will discuss under the following headings. Before that, first come to know what is the meaning of weather and climate. Either the meaning or the definition. So what is weather? Weather is the day-to-day change in the atmospheric condition of a place or a region for a short period of time. Whereas the climate is the average atmospheric change in the large area over a long duration of time. Next, the duration. Weather is of short duration. What I said right now, it takes place for short period of time. So the short term change in the atmospheric condition of a place is the weather. It may vary from time to time. Weather can be changed time to time. What is in the evening, it can be changed in the morning, or what is in the morning, it can be changed in the afternoon. So it may vary from time to time. Whereas climate is for the long term. The long term change in the average atmospheric condition of any location or a country is the climate. What is the long term changes in the average weather atmospheric condition of any location? It may be of a country. So it takes place in a long duration of time. Affected by. Weather is affected by the factors such as temperature, pressure, wind, humidity, cloudiness, rain, ice storms, etc. are there. Because of all these factors, the weather can be affected. By what the temperature is there, the weather may change according to the pressure. Then what the wind is there, what amount of water vapor is present in the atmosphere. Again there is a change in the weather. Cloudiness, if all over the sky the clouds occupy it, then again the change in the weather because of the rain, ice storm. All these factors affects the weather. So weather is affected by these some of the factors. Whereas climate, in the long term observation, by the long term observation of any place by the average atmospheric condition, like the same factors are there almost. The long term observation in the average atmospheric condition, in the temperature, pressure, wind, rain, sunshine, etc. are there. Because of that again there is a change in the climate. But by these factors their observation takes place over a long duration of time. Next is it affects the what is affected by the weather affects to what? Day-to-day occupation. What is the day-to-day activities of the people? What they plan for tomorrow? Maybe it can be cancelled because of the weather. Then transportation services. Transportation services can be affected by the weather. There is a planning to dispatch the goods from one state to another or from one city to another. Maybe because of the weather it can have to be postponed. So transportation services. Then agriculture. Agriculture is also be affected by the weather, as we can take an example of a cotton. Cotton requires 180 frost-free days. Means it requires 180 days for a bright sunshine. But if it should not be because of the weather, then the crop can be spoiled. So the agriculture is, weather affects to agriculture also. In the climate, it affects significantly to the agriculture, industries, then livelihood of people. Agriculture. Only the climate which suits, according to the climate, which suit to grow a particular type of crop can be sown only. According to the climate, the agricultural crops have to be decided to grow in that location. Industries can be again set up on the basis of the climate. The climate that suits to that industry can be set up in that region. Livelihood of the people. People have to set up their way of living according to the climate. So it affects to agriculture, industries, livelihood of the people. Next is changes observed. How the changes can be observed in weather. In the weather, the changes observed frequently, very frequently. Maybe in the morning there is a heavy downpour. In the afternoon there is a bright sunshine. Or maybe 1 hour before it is a clear sky. Sun is shining very brightly, and after an hour there is a heavy rainfall. So very frequent changes are there, can be observed in weather. Whereas here the change can be observed over a longer period of time. In the climate, the changes can be observed over a longer period of time. Then studied by the weather forecasting of a place can be observed by the meteorological department. Of a location, of a place, and the study of the weather is called as meteorology. The study about the weather is called as meteorology. Here in the climate, that the climate prediction centers are there. The climate prediction centers predicts the climate. and the study of climate is called as the climatology. Climate Prediction Center. Centers are there and the study is called as climatology. So here is the difference between weather and climate. What is the duration, how it is affected by, and it affects to whom all, how it can be observed and to be studied by. Now our next heading is weather forecasting. What is weather forecasting? When we come to know what should be the weather in the following day or in next few days or in the following week, it is called as the weather forecasting. You may have heard in the television or read in the newspaper that there should be a heavy rainfall in next few days, or there is an increase in the temperature during the summer season, or there is a decrease in the temperature will decrease in the winter season. So how it can be predicted? These are predicted on the basis of the record maintained. The data is collected on the daily basis and for that data the record is prepared, and on the basis of that there is a forecasting of the weather, what it should be in next few days or in next week. So for that, for the weather forecasting, the meteorological departments are set up. In India, the Alipo Meteorological Station, is there, as well as the Delhi Meteorological Station is set up for the study of weather and the forecasting of the weather. Now the word meteorology is there. The science that deals with the study of weather is called as meteorology. And the meteorologists are there. Who they are? The scientists who study. The scientists who study on the weather condition are called as the meteorologist. The science that deals with the study of weather is called as meteorology, and the scientists who study about the weather condition are called as the meteorologist. Now, in each country, there is a meteorological centers or the stations are established, and they just forecast about the weather. Various weather forecasting instruments are there. Various weather recording instruments are there. On the basis of that, they collect the wide range of the data, and on the basis of that, the weather map is issued. The weather can be collected through the ships. Ships are there. The weather rockets are there. Weather balloons are there. Weather satellites are there. These all are used to collect the data for the monitoring of the weather conditions. Now the GOES is there, the geostationary. The geostationary operational, environmental, satellite. It provides the continuous monitoring about the atmospheric condition, the weather condition, about the hurricanes, the tornadoes, the floods, different weather activities. And the weather forecasting makes alert about the heavy rainfall, the floods, the storms, the snowfall. So to know about the condition of the weather or the future weather condition, the weather forecasting is there, and for that the meteorological stations are set up in all over the world in each country. So here we have come to know about the difference between weather and climate and the weather forecasting. Have a good day.